This is the state that it's got to. We have a financial system which is basically fraudulent and is to a large degree criminal. And the people suffering from that are the normal, hardworking people from around the world. Whoever controlled the printing press was above the law. Bitcoin is the end of that printing press operation. This is one of the reasons why legacy finance refuses to understand Bitcoin. That's the end of their money printing game. Millions have taken to the street. Not being able to afford the cost of living is one of those reasons. Is any of this resonating with you? That is not what you have to accept. Bitcoin represents a once in a lifetime opportunity, and it really is an opportunity for everyone to start protecting and building their wealth. The first time in 4,000 years we've had new money. There is nobody behind Bitcoin, no government or company issuing Bitcoin. It's issued by brute force, working out mathematical hash functions, and anybody can take part in this. That process is called mining. And normally when you have digital money, you need a third party to verify those transactions. That isn't the case with Bitcoin. We have now discovered how to send digital value, digital money from one person to another person anywhere in the world without any company or government verifying that transaction. Again, this is verified through brute force solving of hash functions. Bitcoin is pseudo-anonymous, but the public ledger does not contain your details like your name, your address. It just contains a wallet address and the amount of Bitcoin contained in that wallet address. Cryptography secures the asset so that Bitcoin has never been defrauded. There's never been a fake Bitcoin. There's never been a fake transaction. Cap supply, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Okay, and this is a big drawback of our current fiat system, that governments can print as much money as they like. And actually, when you analyze what printing money is, it's theft. It's theft from normal people, hardworking people like me and you. If you find yourself in a situation where your government has turned totalitarian, you are unable to take your wealth out of the country, well, with Bitcoin, you can actually store your seed phrase in your head and walk across any amount of borders, not even carrying a device holding your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually on the Bitcoin ledger. That's a public ledger. That is a ledger that is distributed across hundreds of thousands of computers across the world. What you have in a wallet is the private keys which give you access to that blockchain to move around Bitcoin. You can't put this knowledge back in the bag now.